So ito kabalay, itong available na unit na to, na end unit, ang design niya, this one, is model number 1. So mapapansin nyo, yung kanyang facade ng property is iba dito sa model number 2 na mostly natin na-view. So meron pa tayo dito available na isa pang end unit. Yan. Hello Kabalay, another day, another real estate video. So Kabalay, nandito tayo ngayon for the checking ng mga available na units, especially mga end units na naka-ready for occupancy or RFO. So for this video, pupuntahan natin yung mga specific block and lot na available doon sa promo na 617,000 na promo discount. And ang magiging cash out mo lang is 264. Yan mga kabalay. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Checking tayo ng mga available units dito sa may Kathleen Place 5. Kabalay, yan. For today's video nga, before we start, no, our checking ng mga available na units dito sa Kathleen Place 5, I'm JM Balog, your Kabalay. So tayo po isang accredited na real estate professional dito sa Pilipinas. So kung naghahanap ka ng mga units na ready for occupancy, RFO, pre-selling, I'm here to assist you mga kabalay. Now, let's start our quick tour sa mga available units dito sa may Kathleen Place 5, especially doon sa ating mga end unit. So the community that we have here sa Kathleen Place 5 is livable na, ready for occupancy na, may mga nakalipat na kabalay. So we are here sa block 3. Dito sa side ko is block 3 and block 4. This is naman sa kabilang side is block 6 kabalay. So we will checking yung mga end units na available as discussed na merong 617,000 na promo discount. So first is itong unit sa under block 3. Meron tayo dito. Ayan, kabalay. So this is the unit that we have na available for the end unit na available. Orientation niya is sunset, and also malapit siya sa may clubhouse. Dito siya sa mismong gitna, no? So mostly may mga nakalipat dito. Ito yung mga first batch na nalagkatan, no? Na may mga nag-move in na. So this is the first one, no? Na end unit. Again, ang end unit natin is 90 square meter lot area, and ang floor area is 180. So yan kabalay. Yan ang orientation niya. Meron ko ng katabi, and then ito yung end unit natin. Again, sunset, malapit po sa clubhouse doon. Let's go naman yung sa isa pang available na unit that we have here. Under block 4. So under block 4, mayroon pa tayong isang unit dito kabalay na end unit. So puntahan natin. At least you have the options once you are looking for a property here in Kathleen Place 5. Makita yung mga other options sa pagpipilian nyo na end unit. So this one is available. Yung portion na to under block 4. So hawak ko ngayon yung sales map kabalay to give you an idea, no? So ito yung mismo yung property na available, medyo may nakaharang lang, no? So ito yung isa sa mga unit na available for end unit. Yan. So ongoing construction niya pero naka-RFO na to dito sa ating sales map. So as you can see, this is the available unit na end unit here under block 4, isa block 3 nasa middle. So nandun yung ating entrance gate and also yung papunta sa may clubhouse. So ayan yung isa natin na available na end unit. Again, 617,000 na promo discount na dito, and 264,000 ang yung magiging cash out. Then punta naman natin sa pang-available na unit under block 6. So ito kabalay, itong available na unit na to na end unit, ang design niya, this one, is model number 1. So mapapansin nyo yung kanyang facade ng property is iba dito sa model number 2 na mostly natin na-view. So meron pa tayo dito available na isa pang end unit. Yan, here in block 6. This one kabalay. So ang nagkaiba lang to kabalay from the other units as discussed. This is Morning Sun, and ang kanyang facade is model number 1, and the layout itself is parehas din naman. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, complete version over with 3 bedrooms na rin included. May gate and fence na rin to. Ang facade lang pinagkaiba niya, and mas malaki yung balcony nito compared dun sa ating this one, no, yung ating model number 2. Yan kabalay. So we're done here sa ating block 6. So we're going to other blocks na available pa, no? At least makita niyo yung mga options, mga kabalay. So again, livable na yung community ng ating Captain Place 5, 4 hectares, 265 units lang ang tinatayo dito. So we're now checking yung mga end units na available. So as of now, we have here the sales map inventory, no, na available. Back to work na, no? So let's check yung other block dun sa block number 4, kabalay. At least you have the idea sa block number 4. So we're done sa block number 3. Yan, so yung ibang part is ongoing construction, livable na yung community. This July kabalay, ma-avail pa natin yung promo discount for 617,000. Yan kabalay. So check natin yung under ng block number 4. Number 4. Yeah, so sa block number 4, ang available dito is Sunrise na end unit. So this one kabalay, yung ating block 4. Yan. So this one is, ang orientation niya is Sunrise, and nandun siya na malapit sa mismong gate natin. So model number 2 yung design ng property natin. Pag model number 2, more on glasses, mas modern yung design natin. Same naman din yung mga layout dito kabalay. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, complete version over, 90 square meter ang lot area, 180 ng floor area. So this one is available under ng block 4, and ang cluster niya is for this cluster, this one. And yung isa naman is under ng this cluster. Yan. But still, magkatabi lang to na end unit na pwedeng pagpilian, no? For the end units that you wish, mga kabalay. So this one is available and this one is available. Halos pare-pares lang din yung layout ng ating mga end units. Just to give you an idea about the end units, pasukin natin. At least you have the idea kabalay for the end unit. So this one with pre-gate and fence na yan. If model number 2, ito yung makakuha mo as discussed. 90 square meter ang lot area, 180 na floor area. Yan kabalay. Yung mga gate natin dito kabalay is foldable, and you have their mini gate, no? You can have this one open for entrance lang, no? And then you have mailbox. Kasama na yan, meron din tayong doorbell dyan. Yan. Ating mismong aqua turnover ng ating gate. Tubular yan. And this is the space for your 2 car parks. Ang nagustuhan ka dito kabalay, dahil meron na siyang cover sa inyong sasakyan, no? So at least, di ba, hindi na maiinitan, no? You are safe with your cars dito. And dahil end unit to kabalay, may setback ka pa dito, may space ka pa dito ng 2 meters on this side for your future expansion. If you wish, extend yung service area, and you can make a garden here or another room, no? So check natin yung extra space dito. Medyo maulan kabalay. Yan kabalay yung space natin dito for the end unit. Then nandito yung service area natin with the first bathroom. So pasukin natin yung loob. Dito tayo dumaan sa sliding glass door sa side. Nakakalak kasi yung ating main door doon. So ito yung ating preview, no, ng ating aqua turnover for the end unit kabalay. So let's start with the main entrance door. So metal cluster to, hindi siya inaanay, dual lock, Yan kabalay, naka-dual lock yan. And then, look at the switches that we have here. Light switch, premium to, nag-glow in the dark. And kapag end unit, mas well ventilated siya. As you observe, we have multiple windows here, big windows, sliding windows with screen. Ito yung may sliding windows natin. 1, 2, tapos may sliding glass door ka dito. 3, and another sliding glass door here. So, on this area kabalay, yun yung maganda sa advantage ng end unit. Mas well ventilated, mas may room ka to extend your unit. And for this area, you can use this area, no, as the living area. And as you observe, mga kapala, yung ating ceilings, para ka na naka-drop ceiling. No need pa to renovate with a drop ceiling. Parang ka naka-like, may mga abang na tayo dito mga wires for your go light, no? And then, of course, ito yung way mo, going to your, if you wish na gawin siyang garden, extension for your service area, ito kabalay. This is the one that you will have for the end unit, no? Same as corner unit, may extra space ka, no? Then sa part na to, you can have this one as your dining area sa part na to naman. Moving forward to our kitchen area, this is the actual turnover on our kitchen area. So meron itong kasamang hanging cabinet and base cabinets upon turnover kabalay. So no need for you, no to renovate pa kung saan pa ilalagay yung mga gamit dahil may hanging cabinets ka na ditong kasama. This one, no? And this one base cabinet dito na kasama. Granite na rin yung ating mismong ginamit dito and stainless sink, no? So ayan ka pala, you can put your fridge here. Meron ka na ditong lagayan mismo for your fridge. And on this side is for your stove. Yan. So that's the kitchen area. Let's go naman sa ating service area to access the first bathroom. So this is the access to the service area. As you observe kabalay, no, sliding glass door na rin siya. And this one, nandito yung ating first bathroom. Yung first bathroom natin, no, meron na siyang sink, may toilet, and may shower handle na rin siya. Yan kabalay. What I observe here is ang gagandaan dito hanggang taas yung ceilings na ginamit ng ating developer. No? Karamihan is nasa half lang ginagamit nilang mga turnover ng tiles. So we're done here sa ating service area. Bago ka malimutan mga kabalay, here para sa ating service area, you can extend this one. No, if you wish to extend the service area, this one as another dito kayo mag-kitchen area, or if you wish magkano kayo dito ng laundry area, no, pwede madami kang pwedeng gawin dito sa part na to dahil end unit ang yung kinuha. So kabalay, we're done sa ating first floor ng ating end unit. Yan. So before we move sa ating second floor, just to give my honest review, no, I love the layout, lalo yung ventilation. Malalaki yung mga bintana, gusto ko yun, no? It gives me feel na well ventilated, may pasok ng hangin, no? Parang hindi ka kulog. Yun ang kagandahan dito sa ating end unit ng Cutting Place Right. Now, move na tayo sa second floor. Before we move, papakita ko sa inyo yung stairs natin, yung hagdan natin dito, concrete ko kabalay, solid concrete. Lahat ng ginamit dyan is concrete and naka-ceramic tiles. Lahat ng ginamit dito, even sa hagdan hanggang second floor, are all ceramic tiles. Yan. So let's go sa ating second floor. Yan, moving to the second floor. Pag akyat mo dito, no, yung space nyo, no, hindi kayong magharangan at sabay kayong magbaba, no, may space pa. So here sa second floor, sa left ko, pag akyat mo, kabalay, is nandito yung master's bedroom. And then to my right, nandito yung way natin going to the second bathroom, second bedroom, and third bedroom. So before we move to the other bedrooms, dito ba tayo sa master's bedroom? Ayan. So pag akyat natin, This is our second bedroom. Yan. Gandang design niya. Para naka-combo. May mga glass door ka dito na design na laki. Meron ka dito malaking sliding glass door. Window. Yan. And then, meron na ditong modular cabinet. 4 doors. Lahat ng bedrooms dito kapalagi may cabinet kasama. And then here is the door towards the mini balcony. So this is the mini balcony that we have in Kabalay for your extension in the future. Yan Kabalay sa ating balcony. So let's move to the second bathroom as we along to the walkway. So dito sa walkway natin mapapansin nyo, no, before we go to the bathroom, no, may space pa. Hindi kayo magbabanggaan. No? Yung catwalk mo dito, hindi basta-basta yung maliit, sakto siya. No? No? Hindi kayo magbabanggaan or magkakasalubungan. Mag-iiwasan. No? So dito sa ating second bathroom, mas malaki yung second bathroom natin compared to our first bathroom sa baba. So mas malaki yung shower dito, mas malaki yung space talaga. You can have it, no? Kung magkakaroon ka ng mini bathtub, pwede rin dito. So this one is the second bathroom. Let's go naman sa left ko yung ating second bedroom and third bedroom. Let's go muna second bedroom. So pasukin natin yung ating second bedroom. Pagpasok mo, on my left side, meron tayo itong modular cabinet. May space ka pa dito, a little bit. And ito yung space for your bedrooms. Yan, meron ka dito ng dalawang sliding windows. Then AC provision. So this is our second bedroom. Yan. Spacious siya, hindi pilit. And of course, may cabinet ka na. Hindi ka na mag-iisip pa sa anong ilalagay yung cabinet. Ilalagay mo na dito Kabalay yung mismo, no, bunk bed or if you wish yung bedroom ng anak mo. Or you can have this as your office if you wish. So this one, our third bedroom. Pagpasok mo naman, nandito sa right ko yung ating modular cabinet. And hindi ka na mag-isip kung maggagawin ka pa ng cabinet. Dito pwede ilagay yung another bedroom or back bed or your office. Kung virtual assistant ka, may office ka na agad dito. No? Then this side is the one sliding window and AC provision. So far we're done sa ating mga part ng second bedroom natin, mga Kabalay. Yan. So we're now moving outside. So before we move outside, just to give my honest review, what I like this one sa ating second bedroom is that lahat pala ng ating ditong divisions is buhos to Kabalay. Hindi to hardiplex lang, no? Sa pag tinatok mo dito, as in cemento yan. And solid as well yung pagkagawa na ceramic tiles, yung mga floorings natin dito, yung atin ditong catwalk, no? May space ka pa, well laid out, and then yung master's bedroom dito, laki na gustuhan ko Kabalay. Kasi yung master's bedroom siya, ang laki. Sobrang laki na kami master's bedroom. Solid yung pagkakagawa, lahat ng bedrooms merong cabinet na. And ang laki ng bathroom natin for the second floor para sa mga anak and privacy for you. Yan Kabalay sa ating second floor. So Kabalay, again, should you wish to see the units that we have here in Place 5, let's have a quick recap. This is 4 hectares located. 4 hectares lang siya, maliit lang ang ating community. Livable na po, may mga nakalipat na, may mga turnover na Kabalay. Should you wish na magpa-schedule ng house viewing, let me know, just comment on this video. Sample application is also included on this video. I will send it also directly to you. And we can schedule for house viewing and reservation. And you can consider our house here in Place 5. Again Kabalay, these are RFO units na end unit. So, ang promo natin dito for this month of July is 617,000 is your discount, no? For our end units. Yan, lahat ng ating RFO units are may discounts. So, ang magiging cash out mo kabalay for our end unit, just a quick discussion, 264,000 ang magiging equity or cash out sa developer. On top pa yan sa magiging bank charges. This is bank financing kabalay. So every bank is iba-iba yung mga kanilang bank charges fee. It's between 2% to 3%. But there are banks kabalay na nagbibigay ng malaking promo kaya mas maliit lang yung babayaran mo for bank charge on top of the equity that you have here sa developer. So kabalay, so should you wish na let's say 25 years, our required income for this month, no, as of today sa video na to, 184,000, and ang ating for the 25 years, no, and 55,000 monthly. So yan kabalay, isa sa mga quick sample computations that we have. But again, if you wish to have the complete details, just let me know for me to send you directly. So kabalay, that's the end of our video tour sa ating mga end unit. Again, I'm here to assist you. Any questions, just comment down below or directly message me sa ating Viber or WhatsApp or to this video for me to send you the full details. That's it. So, I'm so happy we're done sa ating tour sa mga end unit dito sa Cati Place 5. This is Kabalay. As always, choose your lifestyle, choose your home, choose Kabalay. Thank you for watching and see you na mag-reserve na dito and mas house viewing. And of course, Kabalay, on my next video, please follow me, click the subscribe button para po ikaw ay updated sa ating mga updates sa mga real estate dito sa Pilipinas. Have a great day, Kabalay.